Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Show how many patients have birth date with 2010 as birth year. So select from patients and we need to count all, right? Count. So generally, whenever we are counting all, like whenever this happens, counting everything. So we can go with count of start. Count of start. So we are usually it means that total patients. So count star means that we are counting everything. We are counting everything. Count everything. So where where their birth year should be 2010. They are mentioning, right? So year of. So to extract year from date, we can use year of. Okay. So is equals to 2010. Is equals to 2010. So run it. Okay, from select count star as total patients, birth date is equals to just try that. Yeah, we got the correct answer. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.